Hello friend. Now in this session we will discuss about this topic, that is the linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Now see, what is the definition of linear differential equation? An equation which contains the different derivative of dependent variable y with respect to independent variable x. In this notation, this y, this is called the dependent variable, and this x, this is called the independent variable. So what is the definition of linear differential equation? An equation which contains the different derivative of dependent variable y with respect to independent variable x. For example, if you consider suppose different derivative, suppose d square y by dx square. Consider this d cube y by dx cube and so on, dny by dxn. So what is this definition of linear differential equation? An equation which contains the different derivatives of dependent variable y with respect to independent variable x having degree 1. If you observe this differential equation, then we observe that degree of every derivative is 1. Degree of this first derivative is 1. Degree of this second derivative is 1. Degree of this third derivative is again 1. So what is this equation? This is an equation which contains the different derivatives of dependent variable y with respect to independent variable x with degree 1. So this is called the linear differential equation. Now obviously it is the nth order linear differential equation. Now this differential equation contains P1, P2, Pn, they are called the constant element. What is this P1? P1, P2, Pn, they are called the constant element, where what is this x? X, it is a function of x alone. So this type of differential equation, this is called the linear differential equation. And this differential equation contains the constant coefficient P1, P2, P3, Pn, they are called the constant coefficient. So that's why this is called the linear differential equation with constant coefficient. So remember this definition. A differential equation of the form dny by dxn plus P1 dn minus 1y by dxn minus 1 plus Pny is equal to x. This type of differential equation, this is called the linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Now see, if you put this capital D, if you put suppose this notation d by dx by capital D suppose, then we can transform this differential equation into form as, now let us put this d by dx by capital D. So what is this notation? This is nothing but d and y plus this constant P1. Just replace d by dx by capital D. So this is nothing but dn minus 1 y plus P2. This is dn minus 2 y plus Pny. This is equal to capital X. Now let us take out this y as a common term. So what is this equation? This is d raised to n plus P1 d raised to n minus 1 plus P2 d raised to n minus 2 plus Pn. Take out y as a common term. This is equal to x. Now what is this bracketed quantity? This bracketed quantity, this is nothing but a function of d. So what is this equation? This is nothing but function of dy is equal to x. So this is called a linear differential equation with constant coefficient. So this is the short form of linear differential equation with constant coefficient. So remember the definition. A differential equation of the form f dy is equal to x. This is called a linear differential equation with constant coefficient, where what is this x? X, it is a function of x. So this is called a linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Now see, if we take suppose this right hand side equal to 0, then the equation of the form f d into y is equal to 0. This equation, this is called the associated equation. See, this is the definition of associated equation. What is the associated equation? A differential equation of the form f d into y equal to 0. This type of differential equation, that is called the associated equation. And if we equate the just differential coefficient f d equal to 0, then this is called the auxiliary equation. See, what is the definition of auxiliary equation? A differential equation of the form f d equal to 0, that is called the auxiliary equation. So remember these three definitions. A differential equation of the form f dy equal to x, this is called a linear differential equation with constant coefficient, where what is this x? X, it is a function of x alone. What is the second definition? It is about the associated equation. Just take this right hand side equal to 0. So what is this definition? A differential equation of the form f dy equal to 0, this is called the associated equation. And what is the third equation? That is about the auxiliary equation. So this is the short form of auxiliary equation A dot E. That is called the auxiliary equation. So what is the definition? A differential equation of the form f d equal to 0, that is called the auxiliary equation. Now see, what is our first topic? How to solve the associated equation. So for that, we required some formulas. So just write down the formulas. So write down. So this is the first formula. If m1, m2, m3 dot 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 are the roots of the auxiliary equation, then its general solution, it is given by the formula y is equal to c1 e raised to m1x plus c2 e raised to m2x plus c3 e raised to m3x and so on. This is the second formula. If m1 is equal to m2, if that is the root of the auxiliary equation, if suppose root repeat 2 times, m1 is equal to m2, then this is the formula for finding the solution. Y is equal to c1 plus c2x into e raised to m1x. This is the next formula. If the root repeats suppose 3 times, then this is given by the formula y is equal to, for 3 root, use 3 constant, c1 plus c2x plus c3x square e raised to m1x. And this is the fourth formula. If suppose alpha plus or minus I beta are the complex root of auxiliary equation, then its general solution, it is given by the formula y is equal to e raised to alpha x into bracket a cos beta x plus b sin beta x. So instead of a and b, we can use the notation c1 and c2 also. So remember these 4 formulas. If suppose there are distinct root, if m1, m2, m3 are the real and distinct root, then this is the formula for finding the solution. If the root repeat 2 times or 3 times, then this is the formula for finding the solution. And if suppose the complex root, if suppose alpha plus or minus I beta, if suppose they are the complex root of auxiliary equation, then its general solution, it is given by the formula y is equal to e raised to alpha x into bracket a cos beta x plus b sin beta x.